G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are back out in the Blacksmith Forge and we're going to do a bit more beginner blacksmithing. Tonight we're going to do set downs and we're going to do drawing down. So without further ado, on we go. Okay folks, what we're going to start with here is a single set down. So we're resting on the edge of the anvil and the hammer's hitting half on, half off, and then we're just running the hammer forward along the material just to thin it all down. So setting it down, then drawing down the front of it, and now we're just dressing it up, just bringing it back to that parent stock width and back into the forge. So out we come again, and we start again with those half on half off blows, and then just continue it down the length of the steel. So then 90-degree turn and just dressing it back down to the parent stock size. Again, just cleaning it up, just sort of tidying everything up. Okay, there we are. So set down and drawn down to half the parent stock thickness, but remaining parent stock thickness in the other direction. Okay, this piece we're going to set it down in two directions. So half on half off, couple of hits, 90-degree turn, and again with the half on half off blow. Turn it back, knock it down. So we're just rotating the 90 degrees and just working each side, half on half off blows. I haven't drawn down extra material on this one. Just sort of working with the width of the hammer. Straighten everything back up again and give it a quick reheat. Okay, back out of the forge we come, and just tidying up, getting it that final dimension that I'm after, and just making it nice and clean. And there we are, set down on two sides. So we're down a quarter size of the parent stock with a double set down. And that's been normal with these practice pieces. I'm just putting the hardy tool in and just cutting them off so we can continue on practicing on the same bar. And again with the other one. Now on this one we're just going to draw down purely on the anvil. Ideally for this you'd use a rounding hammer. I don't own a rounding hammer, so the flat face hammer is what I'm using for it. And so you're knocking it down, rolling it 90 degrees, knocking it down, rolling it back. The second heat, same thing again, just continually working it down. So just bringing it down nice even, and just tidy up blows at the finish. There we go, drawn down across the face of the anvil. Okay, next we're doing the drawing down over the horn of the anvil. Now the horn of the anvil is a much more aggressive method. The horn pushes, because of the curve on the horn, it pushes the metal forward, so you use the horn to push the metal, and then go back to the face of the anvil to tidy things up. And again, on the horn to do the drawing, and then back to the face of the anvil just to tidy things up again. Just replenishing it out, making it all nice and neat. Okay folks, there we go. We had here a single set down and drawing it down on one direction, so we remained with the parent stock size through the width of it, and then brought it down a half on the other side. And there we had a double set down and double drawdown, so it was set down on two sides and drawn down on two sides, so that gave us a thinner piece. And then we moved on to our pieces that were just drawn down over the anvil. When you're drawing down, you just draw them down square. You can bring it to octagon, you can bring it to round later. That's just dressing them up. But yeah, we have our piece over the anvil where the hammer drew it down. With the hammer that I use, it's got a flat face on it, so it's not super aggressive at bringing it down. It's going to try and want to spread it in both directions, as opposed to a single direction. So yeah, working the top of the anvil with that one, it's a lot more work. And then we come to the one that was on the horn. Now the horn gives me a natural round to it, and that's going to try and spread the direction, spread only in the direction that opposes that curve. So it's a lot more aggressive a method, and will work a lot quicker to draw down material. Alright, thank you very much everyone for watching. Please hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit that little bell notification so you know when there's other videos in my blacksmithing series, my knife making series, or any of the other series that I do. Again, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.